everybody, it's me, the Gaming Bros 23, and sorry if I haven't been recording. It was just a busy day, okay? Today I was off of school, so guess what? I get to record now.
Secure the room.
So everything's gonna be much easier. And yeah, let's get playing. Oh.
Yeah.
Seconds remaining. 5 seconds.
I'm not gonna stay inside this room.
Yeah, there's too many windows.
And plus, if they have fuse, they can kill us fast.
Yep.
Okay.
Oh god, what happened? Who doesn't have armor?
Let's see. I have armor.
Oh my god.
Oh, okay, got one.
Okay. Dude, there's too many windows.
That's right. Do not stay inside the room.
All friendlies were eliminated.
Get separated. Here's my tactic. Just separate. Do not be close to each other. Cause we can die pretty fast. I want it to be Twitch. Oh. Okay.
You need to locate the biohazard container.
I like the new feature about Twitch, cause when you spawn, you get to have the drone that does lasers. But the worst part about it is that I cannot jump.
Good work. The biohazard container has been located.
I got it.
10
No,
seconds.
there's a mute in there.
I was gonna destroy
5
the
seconds.
drone, but too late.
Proceed to biohazard container location.
So what's the plan we got here?
Just like, go in the window.
I have no idea what is this. Oh. Okay, this room is clear. This room is clear. Not anymore. Nice. Nice. Pick up. Okay, got one. Oh, too much things happening at the same time.
Dude, come over here. No.
Crap. Let's see.
What?
Operator remaining.
Dude, oh my god.
What
Are you
happened?
kidding me?
Claymore deployed.
I never see what that. Oh, it's a 1v2.
We have been eliminated.
Okay. Well, that guy left. So. Honestly, my favorite character is Smoke. That kid was kind of good. No
We
lying.
need to protect the biohazard container.
Kind of
Secure
good.
the room.
So they have added these new features that does this impact grenade. It's kind of like when you just throw out something, it explodes right away. You don't have to wait. And I like it. I'm gonna be showing gameplay of that right now.
Op 4 located the biohazard container.
Oh yeah, you see this little? You see this? Oh, it's on big now. Oh. That's okay.
10 seconds.
You're stuck. Okay.
5 seconds left.
I'm just gonna put my reinforcements or whatever I want.
Protect the biohazard container at all costs.
Hurry up!
Lay the nest. Shield us up!
Okay. Okay, people. Oh! Doesn't it feel good to just kill people? Doesn't it feel good like when I kill one of the teammates, they kill me? Okay. Don't fall for that trick. Doc. Come on. Go. Revive yourself. Go. Pulse. What are you doing? Good job. Nice thinking. Okay, go. Tashanka.
Friendly operator remaining.
Come on. Can we
Op 4
win?
is securing the biohazard
Can we
container.
lose?
Immediately.
Nice, Tashanka. So people, tell me which games do you want me to play. I might play Overwatch.
Protect the biohazard container.
I
Op 4
might.
is securing the container.
No!
All friendlies were eliminated. Mission failure.
I might play Overwatch. I just might play Overwatch. But I know that was a short video and all those stuff, but video's a video. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Sorry if I haven't been recording. This is a little. I just making a little video right now so I can know what I'm doing. Okay, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And as always, leave a like, subscribe. I'm the Gaming Pro 2323, and I'm out. Peace.